Is it time to buy or sell Geovax Labs stock? In this video, we will explore Geovax Labs in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of August in the year 2024, our system has ranked Geovax Labs as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.16. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 125.23% since we first identified Geovax Labs as a buy candidate just 7 days ago. This translates to an average return of 17.89% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very wide and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $8.40 will indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 50.78% over the upcoming 3 months, with projected returns ranging from negative 53.13% to positive 72.94%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of about 55.97% over the next year, with possible returns between negative 64.63% and positive 78.17%. This translates to a price range from $2.59 to $13.04 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Geovax Labs includes the headline: significant movements in Geovax Labs stock price on Thursday, experiencing a fluctuation of 35.79% between high and low. The Geovax Labs stock price decreased by 12.34% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, falling from $8.35 to $7.32. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 35.79%, with a low of $7.04 and a high of $9.56. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 of those days and has risen by 291.44% in the last 2 weeks. Although the volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, this is actually a positive indication, as trading volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, resulting in a total of 16 million shares traded, valued at approximately $116.19 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.18, while the lowest was 25 cents. Currently, the price sits 34.53%, or $3.86, below the 52-week high of $11.18, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Geovax Labs, trading under NASDAQ GOVX, is currently attracting significant attention from investors due to its involvement in developing treatments for diseases classified as public health emergencies by the World Health Organization. Following a recent declaration of a monkeypox emergency, multiple analysts believe GOVX has immense potential for stock appreciation. However, this potential comes amidst volatility, as the stock recently dropped 20% after the company announced a capital raise of $8.5 million via stock sale at $5 per share. This financing move, though priced above market value, can generate short-term pressure on the stock price due to dilution concerns among existing shareholders. Conversely, the funds raised will support ongoing clinical trials and increase investor confidence in the company's long-term viability as it tackles pressing health issues. Investors witnessed a dramatic 54% surge in GOVX's stock earlier this week, spurred by excitement over its developments against Mpox as competitors face setbacks. Such rapid shifts indicate a highly reactive market for GOVX, sensitive to news related to infectious disease treatments. Furthermore, GeoVax's strategic appointments and partnerships bolster its credibility and enhance its research capabilities. As focus intensifies on immunotherapy and vaccine innovation, this could yield significant returns for investors in both the short and long term, especially if advancements are successfully validated in clinical settings. Overall, despite recent turbulence, GeoVax's long-term prospects may remain optimistic if it continues to progress in its clinical endeavors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital Markets assigned GOVX an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 23rd of July, 2024, it was reported that EF Hutton assigned GOVX a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 18th of June, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned GOVX a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of May, 2022, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned GOVX a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to GeoVax Labs stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign a rating of strong sell to the stock. The following signals have been identified for GeoVax Labs. GeoVax Labs stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $6.02 and $3.17. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 12.34%. Further drops are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 51 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GeoVax Labs. GeoVax Labs finds support from accumulated volume at $7.15, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.52 between its high and low, representing a 35.79% change. In the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 60.67%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for GeoVax Labs, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $1.13. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GeoVax Labs. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GeoVax Labs is at $8.35. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, GeoVax Labs faces its first support level at $7.15. If this support level holds, it might provide a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GeoVax Labs from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 12th of August, 2024, David A. Dodd executed an insider purchase of 35,000 shares of stock options. On the same day, Kelly T. McKee Jr. made an insider purchase of 15,700 shares of stock options. Also on that day, Mark J. Newman conducted an insider purchase of 15,700 shares of stock options. Mark Reynolds followed suit with an insider purchase of 15,700 shares of stock options. Lastly, John W. Sharkey completed an insider purchase of 15,700 shares of stock options as well. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 98.547. In total, insiders acquired 15,022,779 shares, while selling none in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.94, reflecting a decrease of 5.23%. This stock is characterized by very high daily movements, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is GeoVax Labs stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for GeoVax Labs stock to perform well in the short term. We have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of August, we anticipate GeoVax Labs will open at approximately 65 cents and begin trading at around $7.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.